Welcome to Shiny's tiny world where essentials and entertainment meet making memories. We learn to bake and cook, experimenting and enjoying foods of various kinds. Today we will prepare the glazed cookies for the holidays. They're absolute delicious with candy and kids would love these kind of glazed cookies. For this we would sift 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1/4 cup of corn flour along with it. For this I would be using 1 cup of butter, unsalted butter, just 2 sticks of butter. Began to mix the butter. Add 1 cup of sugar, granulated fine sugar, to the butter that was being mixed. Then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor to the mixture. Add all the ingredients little by little. Take a cup and break an egg. Using a cup helps to check if the egg is good and also if any shells have fallen into the cup. Make sure to use butter and eggs that are at room temperature. Start adding the sifted flour. Make sure that the speed of the mixer is at low and gradually add the flour little by little so that it gets incorporated well. As you keep adding the flour, the consistency of the dough starts getting thicker and it starts to slowly get mixed into it. You can stop once in a while and mix it a little and then again continue adding the flour. Once you're almost done, the dough is quite thick as a cookie dough. Maybe you could take it out of the mixer and then knead it with your hands. As the dough is a little big to work with, I split the dough in 2 parts or 3. You could do 3 parts. Using a food wrap helps to get a smooth finish to these cookies. It also helps to store the dough easily in the fridge. You could use a cookie dough for about a couple of days or later too. Once your dough is ready, place it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. This helps to have very defined shapes while using the molds. Do not cut the inner shape and try to transfer, because once you cut the inner shape they get delicate and it's hard to handle the dough. Make sure that the food wrap doesn't wrinkle. Using any kind of clear hard candy would work. For this I use Jolly Ranch candies that are available here. These are almost done. Some of these cookies are not smooth in finish because no food wrap was used. If you're using these as tree trims, then go ahead and use a straw to make the hole to the tree trim. Filling in candies within the inner part of the cookie should be done carefully. If any excess candy is around, please brush it away. Once these are ready, You can pop them in the oven for about 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Once the candies are out, make sure you pop up the air bubbles using a toothpick. Do not remove them immediately from the tray. Let the candy harden as it cools. I would like storing them with the parchment paper as well, because this doesn't allow the candy to stick to the other cookies. The wonderful glazed cookies are ready. If you liked this video, please subscribe and please do comment for many such videos. Thank you.